Okay, so I've already gone and taken this cover off, and tools you're going to need: Torx 25, 10 millimeter wrench. This is a ratchet wrench, but whatever you have that's 10 mil. And then you'll have to put your wrench on the inside here, and the Torx is on this side here. So you'll be turning for days thinking that it's going to come off, but you're going to need the Torx and the wrench to get these nuts off here. So once you get that all apart, the cover comes off, and you'll be left with this piece here, which the spring will go inside the tumbler here. So one leg is going to go up in this hole. One leg of the spring is going to rest inside this little slot here.